Okay, and welcome to a little video tour for this Canon Powershot SX600 HS or IS with image stabilization. I'll just run you through what's in the equipment here. It's available on eBay under seller Conkwell, C-O-N for November, K-W-E-L-L, Conkwell. All the books and manuals, box with matching serial numbers and a bit of carton, mains lead, charger, and the camera itself, which has a wrist strap. So 16 megapixels, this little compact camera, and it takes a cracking good shot. If you look on the listing pictures, you'll see how good the zoom is on it. It really is quite spectacular. 18 times optical zoom, and then it goes into, I don't know, 50 or 60 times digital, but still the image was great. Very impressive. Just see those last three photographs. Working flash, just a toaster eject type flash. The lens barrel, all nice. The glass is good, 18 times image stabilizing, 4.5 to 81 millimeters, so good for macro, and it's a 3.8 on the f-stop at the widest, up to 6.9 at its longest, which is to be expected. The screen is in really good order, hardly any marks to speak of. The body of the camera is in great condition. If you want a mini B connector, they're only a couple of quid. That can do your data transfer to your computer. SD card's not with it, you just need a standard SD card. An XC, I'd say, was probably one of the best ones to go for. And there we are, that's about it. Very nice condition SX600. Menu features, not touchscreen, but just a standard type of Canon menu. Shutter, zoom, I'll show you the zoom. Zoom goes out, zoom comes in. It's actually very proficient on the zoom, so it's all good there. Also, just a couple of little accessories. These are for phone use, for that little tripod, little phone holder, and a little Bluetooth fob for your phone. Doesn't work with the camera, it's just for phone use. Does volume, and it does shutters for your camera, and a little sort of camera sprung loaded holder, which again fixes into the tripod. Just a couple of little accessories to go into your photographic bag, just for your phone camera use. But there we are, that's the SX600, all very good. Thank you.